Guys, I saved the best for last. Bell's Legend Crystal Revenge, which I'm pretty sure the newest set out of all of these. Short survey. I don't know what the big cards of this are. Ooh, there are 9 Starlight Rares. Okay. That's possible. Oh, this is all the Dungeon Dice stuff. It has the advanced Crystal Beasts in it. Electronic and Crystal Skull stuff. Number 2 Ninja Shadow Mosquitoes in this. The Doodle Beast stuff. Amazonas. G-Golems. Got G-Golems or a thing. The actual Crystal Beasts. Oh yeah, Blackwings are in here. Tunes. A little bit of Chaos. A little bit of Odd Eyes. Nimrod Dragons in this. Nice. Wait, what are our Starlight Rares? One of the Starlight Rares is Borreload Savage. That would be really cool. Another one's Access Code to... Oh my.
You should show Michaela a picture of your Easter stuff.
I already did. Anyway, sorry guys. Yagarasu, Secret Starlight Rare, Blackwing Armor Master, Super Poly. Excuse me, the pieces of Exodia are in here? Starlight Rare? Oh my. You know what, possibly like the rarest possible pack this could be is getting all 5 pieces of Exodia. Imagine. See what the Exodia pieces are worth. Huh? Yugioh, the forbidden one, aka the head, is $590. Right leg. Right leg of the forbidden one, $243. Left leg. Of the forbidden one, $250. Right arm. Right arm's $260. Left arm. Left arm is the cheapest at $190. But fun fact, I actually, when I was younger, bought a couple of Spanish packs because they were cheaper. I just thought they were cheaper packs. I didn't know they were in Spanish. But I got 2, maybe 3 packs. But I got the left leg and right leg of Yugioh. I gave one of the to my best friend Michael, and when he quit, he gave it back to me. So I have 2 of the 5 pieces of Yugioh just in Spanish. Crap. Okay. Let's see what the Super Poly's worth. Super Poly is the probably the best one. Well, Access Code Talker and Warlord Savage are really good too. Those Warlord Savage, Access Code, and Super Poly can be used in almost any deck. Oh, Super Poly's 190. Nice. Oh, it's just Blackwing Armor Master. I thought it was full Armor Master. Armor Master. 116 for Armor Master. So far, he's the cheapest card. And so far, Yugioh's head is the most expensive. Yatagarasu. This I'm interested. 147. That would be a mega flex. I would love that. I don't know which one is more expensive. Warlord Savage or Access Code, but they're both expensive. Oh, Warlord Savage dropped? It's only $219. Huh. Interesting. So isn't the Yugioh the most expensive one? There's no way. There's not a cheaper Access Code, is there? There's a secret rare, but $500 for access code. Okay, sorry. I've wasted enough time. I've never pulled a Ghost Rare card. The only Ghost Rare card I've ever owned was is a Ghost Rare Power Tool Dragon that Michael gave me when he gave me all his Yu-Gi-Oh cards. But I've never actually pulled a Ghost Rare. I've never even seen a Starlight Rare in person, so. Just hoping I pull one, because that would be an amazing video. I'm gonna do something different. No, they're bent. That's not good. Electronic Impact Return. G Golem Stubborn Min here. That's a nice card. Advanced Crystal Beast. Sapphire Pegasus. Let's see what Sapphire Pegasus is worth, if anything. Advanced Crystal. Okay, Sapphire Pegasus. $1.10. He's the expensive card so far. Okay. I saw a Synchro. I saw Blackwing. I was like, there's no way. No. Blackwing Graham, the Shooting Star. I think that's one of the new ones. Blackwing Graham? Graham the Shooting Star. Oh, I'm sad he's only 5 cents. What's he do? Must first be Synchro Summon. When this card is Synchro Summoned, you can special summon 1 level 4 or lower non-tuner Blackwing monster from your hand, but it's effects. It's not bad. Okay. And Crystal Beast Amethyst Cat. I don't think any of the Crystal Beast cards are worth anything. Like the actual Crystal Beasts. Yeah, 5 cents. So the money card is Advanced Crystal Beast Sapphire Pegasus for $1.10. Unless the G Golem Link 2 is worth anything. $0.08, and I doubt the trap cards are worth anything. Effect return. 5 cents. Hey! I'm not trying to sound like ungrateful or anything by saying, oh, it's not worth it. No. I'm just kind of tired and kind of not trying to be too loud. I'm grateful. I'm really happy about these cards. I really like these. These are pretty cool. So, hope you guys enjoyed these. Sorry, this one's a little bit longer than all the other ones, but I kind of wanted to go through, see what the options were, just in case, on the slight off chance I did get a Starlight Rare, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.